G'day guys, thanks for viewing our 2021 Honda Hrv Rs. This one here is one of our display vehicles here and is now up for sale. So pretty much getting a brand new car. All it's had is a set of plates slapped on it and it has not been driven. This car is in brand new condition. Still got all the plastics up above and the black leather trim is spotless. I don't think this vehicle even went on one test drive and it's been very well preserved for its new owner. As you can see, the condition of this car is spotless. Alloy wheels, rear parking sensors as well. You got the RS logo on the back. Cargo blind, which is removable. And these are really hot property at the moment, especially there's a new model coming, which is going to be high in price. This one here has only got delivery case. You got heated seats. You got push button start, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, auto transmission, all the balance of the Honda service system and the new car warranty. This car certainly will not last long. We look forward to spending and save some money off a brand new Honda that's a demo. We look forward to speaking to you soon.